welcome so that you can solve such an amazing maths Olympiad question. So let's now start with our solution. So on the solution, here now we have 5 now to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So in this case now we have factorized this maths problem. So here now we shall now work out the number that is inside the bracket. So that is now 5 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 40. So we shall now divide both sides by 2, so that 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 5 to the power of x. We shall write it there is equals to tier 1's 2 into 40, it's 20. So 5 to the power of x is equals to 20. So for us now to work out the value for x, we shall now introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 5 to the power of x is equals to the log of 20 also. So according to the logarithm, when you have the log of k to the power of p, this one can also be written as p, the log of k. So here now we shall now have x, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 20. So we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 5, so that now we remain with x. So all over the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So from here now we shall now cancel log 5 and log 5, so that now x is equals to the log of 20 all over the log of 5. So we shall now have to simplify this maths problem. So on simplifying this maths problem, we shall say that now the value for x is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So here now we shall now have to say that the value for x is equals to the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So we can still go ahead and simplify it by saying that the value for x is equals to, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 5. So next, so here now we shall now have it as x is equals to, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 is 2, the log of 2, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 5. So we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5. So now the value for x is equals to, so we shall now have 2, the log of 2, then over the log of 5, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 5. So now the value for x is equals to, so here now shall have it as still 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 5, plus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so then now we shall remain with 1. So when you have, for example, the log of b all over the log of c, so we can have it as the log of b to the base of c. So now our final answer for the value for x is equals to 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 1. So these are now qualifies to be almost correct and the best problem. So this one is the answer. So now we shall now confirm the answer that we had if it is bringing what we are supposed to have. So we now have 4 to the power of x, which was our maths problem that we are working on, then plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 40. So instead of writing the value for x, we need to write the answer that we got. So now we shall now have it as 5 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 1, then plus again 5 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5 plus 1 is equals to 40. So we can still write it again by now having it as 5 to the power of, so 2 log 2, we can have it as the log of 2 to the power of 2, so 5 to the power of the log of 2 to the power of 2 base 5, then plus means multiplication, then 5 to the power of 1, then plus here, then still now shall have 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 2. So the log 2 to the power of 2, the base of 5, then the plus means multiplication, 5 to the power of 1 is equals to 40. So we shall now cancel it out very fast. We now shall now have it as, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5. So here now shall have 2 to the power of 2, that is 4, multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is 5, then plus, then the log to the base of 5, cancel this 5. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4, then 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 is 5, which is equals to 40. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 20, then plus 20 is equals to 40. And what is 20 plus 20? That is 40 is equals to 40. So it means that our answer is very correct. When we agree and say that the correct answer for the value for x in its simplest form, so x is equals to, so we shall now have it as 2, the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 1. So these are now qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer for this maths problem. So I believed you work it out and got that as the correct answer. So see you, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.